मैजिक बॉक्स ऑफ उम्र यार की जंबील। कहानियाँ तो आपने बहुत पढ़ी होंगी, आइए आज हम आपको उम्र यार की जंबील भी दिखाते हैं। आई गॉट अ मिस्टीरियस मैजिक बॉक्स, इट हैज़ मैनी मिस्ट्रीज इनसाइड। स्टे विद मी टिल एंड टू एंजॉय magic illusions inside it. Let's start with money because we all like money. I got some $1 bills. These are all real $1 bills. People believe that if you become a doctor, you play in money. I am a doctor by profession, but I don't play in money. I play with the money. Watch how. If you are in a shopping mall and you got single dollar and you need to buy something, or suddenly you need shopping. Yes, shopping means shopping. Don't worry, I found a way. Stay with me and enjoy. For this bill, it is called 1D fold, 2D fold, 3D fold, upside down. Hold in your hand. Think about your shopping cost. Open the bill. It is not a 180. It is not a $1, it is a $20. Yes, $20 bill in my hand. It's not enough. We have more $1 bills. Let's watch the illusion of these $1 bills. Watch. All $1 bills from the front, from the back. My wonderful audience, I believe that you noticed that on the back side of these bills there is a pyramid, and these pyramids actually are very mysterious and still they have magical powers. If you concentrate on this pyramid, a magic can happen just in very front of your eyes. Concentrate. Pyramid. $1. Magic is going to happen. Yes. These are all converted into $5 bills. Yes, I am thinking the same. How to spend this money? How many hours this will stay in this farm? Actually, nobody knows. But I know that if we fold this money, it will be converted again into $1 bill. But how? Watch. These are all converted again into $1 bills. From the back, from the front. Don't worry, don't be disappointed. I have other ways to make money. Let's watch. If you don't have $1, if you have only papers, what to do? Watch. These are all papers in my hand. Fold these papers in the hand. Yes. These are all converted into 50 rupees Pakistani currency note. These are all Pakistani 50 rupees. If you are not in Pakistan, good question. If you are not in Pakistan, take again white papers. These are all white papers in my hand. Watch carefully. In the same way, fold these bills in your hand. Think about your shopping cost. These are converted into Kuwaiti dinars. These papers are now not papers. These are very valuable currency, Kuwaiti dinar. From the front, from the back. Actually, this one Kuwaiti dinar is not a simple currency. It is also mysterious in its nature. Watch how. This is a 1 KD in my hand. I am folding it just in front of you. This is 1 fold, 1D fold. This is 2D fold. And now it is going 3D fold. Watch carefully. Same way, upside down, a magic is going to happen. Yes, you are right. No, it is not a 1 KD. It is a real 5 KD note in my hand. How this illusion happened? I repeat it again. Watch. 1 fold, 1 defold, 2 defold, 3 defold, and this time I am making a fold defold and I am pushing it in my face, taking from my hand and throwing to you, and it has gone. Where it has gone? It has gone here. Watch. Yes, I found. This is the same 5 KD note in my hand. Your applause is very important for me. Concentrate. Yes, you are right. It is also an illusion, and this is also a magic note. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to watch another magic illusion. Goodbye.